If you want to switch to web layout in Microsoft Word, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to change your document view so it looks more like a web page instead of a printed page. This is especially useful if you're writing content for the web, checking how text flows online, or just want a cleaner, wider editing view. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy word tips and software tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open your document in Microsoft Word. Once your file is open, look at the top of the screen and find the ribbon. You'll see a row of tabs like Home, Insert, Draw, and View. Click on the View tab. This is where Word keeps all the different ways you can display your document. After clicking View, look for the Views group. In that section, you'll see options such as Read Mode, Print Layout, and Web Layout. To switch your document into Web View, click Web Layout. As soon as you select it, Word will immediately change the way your document is displayed. Instead of showing page breaks and printed pages, your content will stretch across the screen like a web page. This can make it easier to focus on how your text appears in a browser-style layout. If you're working on content that will be published online, this view can be really helpful for checking spacing, readability, and overall flow. You can also use it when you simply want a more flexible editing workspace without the boxed-in look of print pages. If you don't see the change right away, make sure you click the correct option under the View tab and not another layout setting. And if you ever want to go back, just return to the View tab and choose Print Layout or any other view you prefer. That's all there is to it. Switching to web layout in Word only takes a couple of clicks, but it can make a big difference in how you work with your document. If this video helped you, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.